Yes.
Who doesn't?
Yes.
Reality TV.
I live by reality TV.
It's on every station, actually.
I love it. Yes.
What shows do you watch?
Every single one.
Bad Girls
Every
Club,
single one.
Love Games.
Jersey Shore, Mob Wives, Teen Mom, 16 and Pregnant, all of the Real Housewives.
Oh, Dancing with the Stars, they're considered live.
That's a show.
That's not reality. Just kidding.
Like, well, I mean, like, I used to watch, like, Flavor of Love, I Love New York, Real Chance of Love, For the Love of Ray J, Tila Tequila, watch that.
What else? Oh, Real World, all that.
Real World, I love, oh my God, I want to be on Real World.
What else? It's like you compare yourself to them and, like, you want to be like them. Cool.
But I'm not, I don't have what they have, so I feel like the only way I can relate to people like is through personality, because my body is not like you, it's not like Kat, it's not like Natalie, it's not like Nikki, and one of the girls on Bad Girls Club had a boob job, so like people fix themselves all the time, so it might not even be real. So.
But they might fix themselves to look like somebody else. They might be influenced.
Like, okay, I would like I said, I would like to have bigger boobs. If I was to get that, it would be for me, not so that I can look like somebody else. It would just be for me, so that I can fill out this top or that bathing suit. Like, it's not because, like, oh, this is what I see, and this is, you know, what's in the magazines, this is what is on reality TV shows.
What you think influenced you to want that? Like, if it's not the media,
myself.
But yourself.